M's Quilts and M's scrap bag, and you know I love me a little wonky improv, and so today I'm going to show you how to make this wonky snowball block. It's a fun one. I've put it together. I combined them several into a 9-patch and then put sashing around it. I will show a picture of it of the quilt that I've done doing this on my blog, so make sure to check that out. My friend who does my graphic design has it right now. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. To make a wonky snowball block, we're just going to want a square. I'm using a 4-inch square. Put them into 9 patches and set them together. So I didn't want my square to be very big. So I'm starting with a 4-inch. I'm using just a strip of fabric. And I'm just going to stick it on here. And you just kind of play, deciding how you want your corner to go. So you can make it long and skinny. You can kind of make it fat. You just kind of play with that. And then we're just going to make sure it extends like a 1/4 inch here, and we're just going to stitch along here. Then we're just going to flip this back, make sure that it covers our corner, and then we're going to trim. It's going to look like that. And then you can trim also the seam allowance here, the extra bulk, but that's up to you. Do what you want to do there. And we're just going to repeat that process around all 4 corners. I had this little piece here. I don't want it to go to waste. Will just be a little corner there. Then once again, we're just going to make sure that it covers the corner. We're going to square that up. Continue around our square. And that's how you do the wonky snowball block. It's just kind of a fun thing to play with. Enjoy the process. Thanks for watching my video. We'll see you next time. Bye.